y'all. I ain't recorded a video in a very long time. Like, what? We're going on, I probably going on 9 years. A channel, I would say, I'm not sure what's gonna go down just yet. I'm not sure just yet. Today we are going to be taking this hairdo down. The other day I did make a little video. I'm trying to debate if I want to upload it or not because it was in some weird angles in my bathroom. Video of me doing the style and retwisting my hair. I had said in that video that I wasn't going to be wearing this style out anywhere. What we're going to do though, we're going to do our edges. We're going to take this hairstyle down like I said that I was going to do. Going to take this down because again, I didn't plan on wearing this, no way. You feel me? This was just something I came up with. Granted, it is cute. Like, I got a little two-strand in the front. Okay. Boom. Cornrows. You feel me? It wasn't two little buns here, little space buns at the bottom, and then I just took them out and did this little bun last night. So nothing special, but we're gonna start in the back. So I'm gonna put this up out the way. The tools that you will need if you're wanting to do what I'm doing here today. If you're just watching, you know, then let's just continue to watch. But if you're wanting to like try to do your edges or anything like that, what I like to use, you got to have a scarf, baby. Okay, you gotta have a scarf. Scarves are like for sure a thing that you need. Edge brush comb, you've seen them everywhere. Literally doesn't matter what kind you have. It could be dual tip, single ended, triple ended. It don't matter. It just need to be a small enough brush to get up in there, or even a small enough comb, whatever you want to say. You mean you could use a toothbrush. I definitely have a toothbrush that I use sometimes, but the reason I'm not using it is because it's a soft, and I like using it if I'm gonna use my edges. On my edges, I need a medium, baby. These need a little more than the soft. Okay, these need some mediums. All right. Next thing that you'll need is edge control. Before I say this, I'm not sponsored by these people, or anything like that. I literally just feel like this. This edge control has been staring at me. It had been staring at me for about a year on Amazon. It used to pop up on the front page, and I'm just like, I ain't gonna try it out. It's probably got, flaky. It's probably just not good, right? So I was just like, let's not do this. Well, because I'm a braider and I braid hair, I like to try different products because I do so many different people's hair and different types of hair that I just was like, okay, let me try it out. See, I was trying out some other things and I was like, let me just try this out. So here it is. This is the edge control called Goable. I could be saying it wrong. Again, I'm not sponsored, so no one's ever taught me how to say this, but it looks like Goable to me. Either way, I really enjoy this edge control. It only comes in like two, it only comes in two colors, which is yellow and this pink jar. They have the same smell, which is like this pineapple scent to me. But I really love this edge control. I use it on my braids, my knotless braids that I do for my clients, but I also use this on the edges. I try to stick to the edges more because it's that good. You know what I mean? It's like that sticky of a product to where if you're putting it all over your head, you're really gonna get some type of flaky buildup. It's just not gonna work. So I tend to try to use it only on the edges or on the parts where your hair is more coarse or thick. Areas where I really need to slick down. So let's get into these edges. First of all, we're doing my edges now because I want to lay them down with a scarf, and then I'm going to take my hair out so that way I don't have to do it afterwards. I just think it'll be a better reveal and ending product if I do the edges now. Okay, so I decided to switch over to voiceover because I was talking a bunch of hullabaloo and I haven't recorded in so long that I just want to make sure that, I'm
talking about what needs to be talked about and having chit chat when chit chat is needed. Right now, you see me brushing all my edges down just to get the ones that I want out. And then you see me putting edge control on the hair that I just brushed out. One thing I can say is edges, baby, they take they take some strength, okay? You need to have some strength, some will, some determination to make some edges happen. They are not for the, faint-hearted, like it's just not for people who ain't willing to get the job done. It took me a couple times to really get that swoop right up there, okay? Here I am on the other side. I should have brushed the edges back on the previous side first, so that way I didn't have as much left out. But I'm gonna go back and fix it later. I'm a perfectionist. It is what it is. That's just me. But I like to switch between the comb and the brush. It just depends on, it just depends on what's working. You know what I mean? Honestly, everything is about trial and error. I've been doing edges for so long. I know my head, so I just do what works for me. I've been really into this Lori Harvey vibe. Can't even say her name right. Lori Harvey. I've been really into this vibe where she has that little baby hair across the front. So I was just trying to see, what that would look like on me. I had done it a couple times before recording this video, so I love it. I think it's bomb. So that's what I stuck with. And I'm finna model them for y'all now. Yes. And of course, you lay that scarf down. Okay. You have to lay them edges down with a scarf. You just have to. Like, y'all have to. Once I do that, though, I'm probably going to come back and just, show you guys what it looks like after it was laid down for about 10 minutes or so. And yeah. And just a quick tip before I go, silk scarves. Silk scarves is what I use. It's the best. Make sure you get yourself a silk scarf.
All right, y'all, I'm back. Back. All right. Let's do it. Okay. Don't lay down, honey. Don't lay down good. Alright. I already got oil on my hair. Or whatever. But this is the oil that I was using on my hair. Frame for y'all. What is it? I never remember. But Peds and Beauty. Find Beauty in You. Hibiscus hair growth oil, hibiscus plus rice bran oil. It says it improves blood circulation to stimulate hair growth. Suitable for all hair types. So, the things in there, I believe these are roses. It's hibiscus flower. I thought it was roses. It's hibiscus flower. Clearly, if it says hibiscus growth oil agent. So yeah, hibiscus is what's in the bottle here. Shake well before using, and it smells so good. Like, I wish there was a way to put this in a perfume. It's like this sweet, it's so good. It's like this soft sweet, not candy sweet. Anyway, that's in my hair already. Let's get down to business. Our band in the back. See my hang time. Look at this. Look at this hang time, y'all. Yes. I just started locking my hair. On June 19th of 2022 this year. And this is where we're at with it. Okay. And a little oil on my here. Just because I felt the ends were dry. Probably because they've been up in that bun. But, okay. And we're just undoing gently here. Undoing. That's all we're doing is undoing the braid. my locks are twisted to the right. So I'm just gonna like gather that extra hair that I brushed back and bada bing, bada boom. I retwisted my hair with flaxseed gel. I made a video of that, posted it on the Instagram. But that is what I did my retwist with. Because all of the other products create a lot of buildup, and I was over the buildup. So we're gonna tackle everything else after I'm done taking it out. But we're just gonna take it out for now. We're gonna do it this side, and then we're gonna do this side. Oh, mama. Hi, baby. Get down. Girl, get down. Get down. Okay. So again, I'm gonna get these ends right. But for now, getting my oil. I only had 40 stains. I feel like I had 20. 50. Every time I say the word thick, I think of that song. But this people here is thicker than mine. Some of my clients, I know these people. Okay. They be part of some of these gray hairs I got. I done had gray hair since I was a kid, but still, my clients, y'all contribute to my gray hairs. Just know. I still love y'all though, but it's the truth. Cause baby, y'all have me thick, honey. It's like, I promise y'all, about 80% of my clients have thick hair. 80%. Probably about a good 90. Like, they just decide to all to come to me. I love it. Okay. This is looking cute, but we ain't there yet. Let's get some more oil. This is the last one. I have a Chipotle finish. So this is like a braid out for the locks. Literally. I used to do braid outs for my like youth hair when I had it. Back in the day when I was transitioning. But baby, they never last. Let's take this front right here down. Okay? If you could see, 2 strand in my locks does this, which is some type of wax. This is not really, it's okay, but it's not, I don't 100% like that, okay? I like this voluminous go-go curl look. That's what we're gonna call it, because that's the name of the hair in the beauty supply store, okay? Go-go curl. So we're gonna call it that. All right. Here we are. Dang, this one is giving me the blues. You be in position. Thank you. Let's see that. I like that. Yeah. Okay. No. It's okay, but you see how they just all over the place, my ends, and they flipping this and that? We don't want that. So I'll be right back. I'm back. So I got this No More Itch Grow Spray. I like to spray this on my hair because my scalp I have eczema, so I'm already abnormally itchy, but my scalp is just, it gets crazy sometimes. Itching that earlier. I'll do a couple spots of this itching. Okay. So, what I'm gonna do though is like spray my locks to get them damp. And I'm just gonna go like this. Literally, they're gonna fall. They're not gonna just stay. These here though. I just sprayed this right away. And as you can see, it's already dropped. Literally, it's already dropped from what it was. This is where it was. This is where it is. I'll try to get these to be the same. I don't need it to be like extremely dry. It's good enough where it's at for me. But as you can see, this side is it's not like this side. So what we're gonna do is try to get these to look like this. What I did. Okay. You see what we're getting to? This is what I like. Just like this. So we'll gypsy like block. So we're gonna take this right here, all this. And we're just gonna like this. We're trying to elongate, okay? Better. Not perfect, but better. And now, both sides of my hair should be pretty much the same way. Yes. Like that. I love it. So, let me show you on the back. Let's see what we're working with.
Okay, pause. I have to start learning to put a braid in the middle of my head because, child, that is not cute. Ain't no way you can turn it to make it cute. Anywho, I hope you guys enjoy the video. This is just a little BTS of just some hair texture shots so you guys can see where my progress is with these locks. I am 5 months in. I really am hoping that you guys want to join me along this journey. I've been inspired by a lot of people that I watch on a regular and that I actually see every day, which is the love of my life. And I'm so thankful that I was able to, have the courage to do something like this after being a relaxed girl literally majority of my life. So enjoy these shots. Subscribe if you aren't already. I only got 233 subscribers. Let's make it 233,000, okay? Love you guys.